Hello all my students of X level. How are you today? I hope all of you are just fine at home. Today we study about the infinitive verb. The infinitive verb is kata kerja infinitive. The infinitive form of a verb is the verb in its basic form. Bentuk infinitif tersebut dari sebuah kata kerja adalah kata kerja bentuk dasar itu sendiri, with or without the particle to, dengan atau tanpa partikel to. Types of infinitive. There are two types of infinitive, such as one, where infinitive, and then the second one, full infinitive. Where infinitive is the infinitive without to. Nah, infinitive ini yang pertama adalah infinitive tanpa adanya to or the base form, bentuk dasar atau bentuk dasar seperti example, talk, sleep, use, eat. And then the second one, full infinitive. Full infinitive is the infinitive with to. Okay? Infinitive penuh. We can call this infinitive penuh, di mana yang dimaksud dengan full infinitive adalah the infinitive with to. Infinitive dengan to. Okay. For example, to talk, to sleep, to use, and to eat. So this all of these are full infinitive. If we see the infinitive, full infinitive to talk, to sleep, to use, and to eat, all of that are full infinitive. So now, how can we use the full infinitive? As we see, page 85, we can see our textbook, page 85. Okay, 85. So here we learn about full infinitive. Full infinitive. How can we use the full infinitive? We use the full infinitive. The full infinitive can be used to express. Oke, full infinitive ini bisa digunakan untuk mengungkapkan tujuan. We can be used to express purpose or to answer the questions why. Oke. Atau untuk menjawab pertanyaan dengan kata tanya why. For example, example, Tom went to his friend's house to play computer games. So, we can see this sentence. Tom pergi ke rumah temannya untuk bermain komputer game. Nah, di sini kita bisa melihat full infinitive, yaitu to play. To play di sini bisa dikatakan bahwasanya to express purpose, untuk mengungkapkan tujuan, di mana Tom pergi ke rumah temannya untuk bermain. Oke? To play we can say this in bahasa Indonesia is untuk bermain. Next, let's see this. If we see this sentence again, Tom went to his friend's house to play. So, if we see this sentence, there is a full infinitive to play, so we can be used to express, to answer the question why. For example, like this: why Tom went to his friend's house? Mengapa Tom pergi ke rumah temannya? Mengapa? Kenapa Tom pergi ke rumah temannya? Why did, or we can say why Tom went to his friend's house? Why did Tom go to his friend's house? Okay, so that is a question. So if we see the answer from the question, to play computer games. Tom went to his friend's house to play computer game. Tom pergi ke rumah temannya untuk bermain computer games, permainan games di komputer ya. Okay, so let's see point 2. Using full infinitive. The full infinitive is used after the adjectives. Full infinitive ini digunakan setelah kata sifat. Example. Contoh, number 1, it's easy to use. Number 2, it's healthy to eat vegetables. Let's see number 1. The example of number 1, it's easy to use. Di sini ini mudah untuk digunakan. It's easy. Ya, full infinitive, it's easy. Ini mudah untuk digunakan. Jadi full infinitive yang number 1 di sini yaitu to use, untuk digunakan. Ini mudah untuk digunakan. Number 2, it's healthy to eat vegetables. Ini sehat untuk makan sayur-sayuran. So, what is the full infinitive after adjective here? After adjective, the adjective is healthy. The adjective here are easy and healthy. So, easy and healthy, this is an adjective plus to full infinitive. So full infinitive is to use and